The Gemini API opens the door to building truly smart, multimodal applications that process text, images, and video. Our next speaker will show us exactly how to leverage this power with Vertex AI. She'll walk us through 4 real-world use cases, from story generation to video analysis, and provide the end-to-end workflow for building with Streamlit and deploying on Cloud Run. Please welcome Eman Elrefai as she presents, working with open models on Vertex.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Do you hear me? Yes, okay. Let me share my screen. Yes, okay. For today, we will gonna go for many interesting topics related to the Vertex AI, and we will hands-on workshops about the Vertex AI and go through the open models that can access in the Vertex AI and so on. So it will be interesting lab. I'm so pleased to be with you all. First, my name is Eman Elrefai. I am an applied scientist and NLP researcher. I graduated from Queen's University and I got master's degree in AI and data science. Published many papers in the field of the NLP, and I have many playlists related to the TensorFlow, Vertex AI, and the NLP. You can watch these videos in the Dev channel, YouTube channel. And I am basically I am mainly a GDG organizer in Alexandria chapters and Woman Tech Maker. So let's start, and I hope you enjoy this session and you start learning many things related to the Vertex AI, how to can access many models and the Gemini APIs and so on. So, first, I wanted to just go through quick introduction about the Cloud Skill Boost. Cloud Skill Boost is a very, very, very enriched platform. You can access many labs, you can access many classes and many courses, and actually for each labs you can see the lab is very detailed for everything related to the lab that you're gonna to work on or and try to learn, and you don't have to do anything. Everything is written here in the lab. Everything is clarified for you to start. For the steps, for example, and for each task and so on. So the main purpose of this lab is to see how the output, or how to add this input, and how you can see the result for your input and so on. So I love the gamification of this lab, or maybe the structure of this platform, because you have like here is start with overview, objective, setup, and for each task is like a score, and when you finish it, it track you, and when you finish it, you can check yes, you mark as you finished it or not. So you add increase your score until you reach to the 100 out of 100. So after that you finish the lab. um, and here we can start by the overview about the Vertex AI. Actually, the Vertex AI is a platform that provides both. You have a generative AI models and actually the predictive AI. I mean about the predictive AI. This is a model that can say maybe when you have, for example, classification, it's orange or apple, can say yes, it's orange, no, it's apple. And another types about the generative AI, I mean here that can generate any types of text, images, videos, and so on. So is yeah, I recommend to try Vertex AI because it's very useful platform. You can you can train, evaluate, deploy any machine learning models. Actually, you can utilize the platform to discover the true and serve generative AI models to produce content. You can deploy any application in a web or into mobile, and the Vertex AI offers a powerful way to rapidly prototype generative AI solution for such as challenges or hackathon you are joining it. So here you can let me press on this Vertex AI Studio, and you can here see how you can test or customize any AI models, so you can use it in your application. And here is the Vertex AI Studios. You can see the section how it works, the common uses for the Vertex AI, actually how to generate solution and every details for the Vertex AI. And for this lab, we were gonna to discover in this lab for goals, create application from the prompt, how we can design effective prompts, and the engineering part, or maybe how we can get more powerful prompts. And another thing, just last point, is the multimodal prompts. And I mean here by multimodal prompts, how we can try, or how we can try for both the text and for generating images. um, so here just basically about the setup and requirement, and you can see these common steps related to every labs that you will join. First, I recommend to use incognito window, because every time that you access the lab, you need a specific Gmail is generated by this lab and password. That's why maybe not to save something like that in your main window. So when you try in the, for example, in the main window, you can see your Gmail will logged out, your main Gmail, and you have to sign in again, and so something like that. So to avoid something like that, I suggested to use a new incognito window. And after that, you can press on this button that start lab. After the starting lab, you can see this period, or the time that expected time that you will finish the lab. Actually, you can finish it less than this time. Is just you have more time to do anything, to play with everything that you want to go. And even if you didn't finish the lab again, you can stop or end the lab and start again, and you can finish it. And here is a checkpoint. It's clarify every point. The checkpoint, for example, for the create a prompt application with Vertex AI Studio is 20. Yes, here is the scores is 20, and for the prompt engineering in Vertex AI Studio task, another 20 in the score. And for the compare, evaluate, and manage the prompt, yes, there is a score out of 20. And the last two tasks for the image analysis with Gemini in Vertex AI Studio, and Explore AI Studio, Media Studio, another point. So the summation of this will be 100. So here, just I will press here and open a new link. to sign in Google Cloud. Yes, here I need to press on under I understand for the rules. Yes, I agree with the terms and the conditions. I say agree and continue. And this is the Google Cloud. Yeah, you can see here section is called a Vertex AI, and here is a sub section Vertex AI Studio that we will explore for today. Okay, let me just go through the lab and start. Uh, yes, you can see here and start just step by step how we can it. The steps for the start lab we did it, and here yes yes I need to open the Google Cloud Console, and after that yes I added here if necessary copy the username and the password, and actually we automatically did this step, and we accepted the terms and conditions, and here you can see the platform is like this. Okay, so we will start by the first task, and the first task is how we can create applications for the prompts using the Vertex AI. So you will see quickly how we can use the generative AI assistant and turn into a working prototype using a Vertex AI Studio. So here I need to go to the navigation menu and select Vertex AI. From Vertex AI, I will select the Vertex AI Studio. So here, Vertex AI, and here Vertex AI Studio. And on the top left, I need to select a new chat. Yes, great. Yes, just here to, yes, this is about the get API key and so on. So here I press new, and here new chat. After that, you can see here, okay, okay, you can see here every part that we need to add, or maybe we compare and so on. For example, here is the model setting. When you want to, yes, when you want to choose maybe Gemini versions like Nano Banana, Gemini Flash, Gemini Pro, Gemini Pro Preview, Gemini 3 Pro Preview for image, and so on. And you can see something is called third party, something like Claude, DeepSeek, Quen, Meta, and the others famous models. And these some of them is like open source or open models. And last option is the tuned. If you have a model that you fine tuned it and you want to use it, you can basically add it here and you can use it in your prompts. So in the task we need to go through a system instruction, and the system instruction is like a set of instruction that the model process before it just the main rules about the main uh, description, and just for this the system instruction is set, it applies to the entire request. Yeah, it works across multiple users, and the model turns when included in the prompt. Another section that for the model thing, this section allow to select any models, even open source, third party, tuned model, and so on. And the last part, the prompt. The prompt is the the main sections that you where you draft your prompt that can utilize multiple capabilities. Um, so here we press on the chat, new chat, and we need to fill with these select the specific model, added the system instruction, and here you can see it's required to copy and paste this system instruction in the box. So you have a system instruction. It said that you are an expert AI assistant for insurance underwriting department, and your primary goal is to help underwriters by accurately and concisely summarizing client information and highlighting potential risk factors, maintain a professional and objective tone, focus only on the information provided in the prompt, don't invent details. So it is the general rules. So I need to copy and paste in the system instruction. Okay. And the step after that, below the system instruction in the main prompt area at the bottom, yes, of the page, I need to copy and paste this. This is related to the actual input that I need to process or to get some data. Here, for example, is a customer notes for Save Harbor uh, warehousing, and here is the message itself. And after that, your task is briefly summarize the key details of the Safe Harbor warehousing business and the existing safety measures. And based only on the notes provided, identify any immediate question that should ask or potential risk factors. And here presents summary first, then the question risk factors as a bullet point. So just I copy and paste here. Yes, and here is just the yes. Okay. And the last thing about the model setting, I wanted to choose Gemini 2.5 Flash. So here I need to select Gemini 2.5 Flash, and I need to select global for the region if not set yet. Let me share. Yeah, let me make sure. I think it's set by default, but yeah. Mm, okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Here I will here submit to get the answer from the LLM. You can see here it start by summary as required, and after that, yeah, bullet point for the factors. So great. After that, I need to yes, here, not yet. Is this okay? Yes, I need here to select the save, and from this glue. Okay. And here for the save prompt, the region is correct is US Central, and the click save. Yes, okay. Just it may take a few minutes to save. It's okay. Just once the prompt has been saved, we will explore how this draft prompt may be turned into the application or prototype. So the steps after that is from the menu that appears, I will select deploy, and after that deploy as app, and we can deploy it to Cloud Run, and how we can see this application. Uh, it will be like something like that. It takes some times again, and after that, yes, we can see some user interface like this. Let me check again. Yes, if it's saved or not. Yes, it's saved now. So the second step is to here, once has been saved, we need to click the code button here, and for the code button, I need to select the deploy. Okay, and here is after that, from the menu that appears, select deploy as app. Yes, I will select deploy as app, and you can see this screen. Yes, I enable service. Yes, I in the deploy to cloud run dialog that appears here, acknowledge and click the create app. Here is for the cloud run pricing and how we calculate it, but you don't worry about it because this lab is for free. You just maybe contact any nearest GDG, and they will share with you a free yearly subscription on the cloud skill post. So after the steps that we say deploy and deploy at app, in the dialog that appears, yes, here, I let me just back again here. You can see how to code it, how to open a notebook. But here, I will choose this, and this is will deploy it publicly. And here I create the app. Yes, here. It takes some time until it is deployed. And you can see here some recommended tutorial that you can check. And for sure you can edit the bucket, go to the path, refresh if deployed or not. And you can see here for monitoring. Yes, here for prompt data. Yes, for the prompt system instruction that you added here. Okay, because it's not deployed yet. Yes, here ask if you wanna to save this prompt. Also here the version stories, version histories. Yes, let's go back to the Vertex AI. You can see my recent prompt. For again for the version history, no any notes or tags, and maybe you wanted to share feedback, even compare the result between each one. And here's for the preview, just like here. And here are the code that we go through it. Yes, here is, you can see now manage app because it's deployed here. So I just open it. Yes, and you can see the interface is deployed. So just easy, very easy step. You can now uh, choose any models, any open models, Gemma family, DeepSeek, Meta, everything, even tuned version. And after that, you can add it, just add your instruction prompts. After that, the prompts that you need to and to get output just to test the capabilities of the LLM, and then you can press on like her, yes, her, on the Vertex AI Studio to deploy, and you can get an app using Cloud Run. So let's test this app and see if it's run correctly or not. Okay, so yes, here close. Once completed, yes, I will close it. Yeah, here. And in the chatbot, I will copy and paste the same thing and see what is the response expected there. So I added her a new customer, and these the messages, and I say please summarize key points and identify potential risks, and you can see very intelligent response from LLM. Yeah, it's a very very, very good. Okay, so for now, I need to check this task if I can deploy it and I can open the model and choose from it and so on, and I can go through the web interface. So let me check you. Yes, using yes. Wait until the status shows is as ready. Please deploy the prompt as serviceless application using Cloud Run and until. Okay. It seems that I finished it, but I still need some time to check it again, and after that, he can see I deployed it. Yes, yes, I got it. Another problem here. He can't see it because I need to rename the application. Like mentioned here, you should now see a page title. Welcome to Vertex AI. Yes, application. It's the same aligned, and I need her the title. Yes, here insurance risk summary. Insurance risk summary. So let me yes rename this and deploy it again. Update the app. Confirm. Let me check if you have any question. Until finish deploying deployment, do you have any questions? Okay. I just need to be synchronized with the same naming of the lab, because sometimes when the lab try to auto check my progress, maybe if you rename or add any name, that make the system become difficult to track or try to make sure that you finish this step. Yes, it's ready now. Let me open it. The title has it changed. It's good. Yes, when I updated the prompt. Let me check the progress now. Mm, still there is a problem. Okay, let me, yes, yes, in the chat, maybe try this. Okay, yes, I got a response. Let me check again now. Hmm. Okay, maybe we can do it another time, and sometimes it get you get a problem, but when let it sometimes you can recheck again, and you can see that you can trace your progress successfully. But for now, is this is the main task that you can design a prompt in the Vertex AI Studio, and you deployed it in a serviceless application using Cloud Run with just a few clicks. And now you can open and interact with your generative AI through a web interface is great you. Okay, great. So the next task is the design effective prompts. We added any prompts. Just I wanted to craft your prompts, something like a zero shot prompting. Zero shot prompting is like that you add some examples for what you want, or maybe what you like her. For example, I added her the system instruction, and in the main prompt area, I added some example, something to be specific, and so on. So here in the few shot prompting, just I will in change. I will create new chat with this title first. Yes, here. Okay. Yes, and added the instruction system instruction here. No, it is the same system instruction like previously, and I will add here the main prompt area. Yes, and I want to extract the following: the policy number, date of loss, time of loss, and something like that. And I will add some setting, more setting. I will choose the same thing, Gemini 2.5 flash, but I added her temperature to be zero point 0.1. zero point 0.1 is just to me to be more realistic, factual, less creative extraction, because I need extraction without any hallucination. That's why I set the temperature to be zero point 0.1. So here, yes. Here is the region global, and here is the temperature 2.0.1, and you will add the output token limit to be 1024. Yes, okay, so it's great. Yes, here you can see it's automatically saved. Okay, yes, it's automatically saved. Okay, and here we can show how to add the few short prompting, because we didn't add yet the examples. So let me just press here. Yes, submit. And after that, I will create new chat uh, and on the bottom I will select the examples to add new examples. This is another prompt. So it will be the same thing, just the new thing that you will change is the adding the examples part here, like here. Yes, you can see here is something is called examples. Okay, let me create a new chat. Yes, to add the example. Yes, I here create chat and I here start by adding example, and you can add it here the input and the output that you prefer to add. For example, here is the input. Yes, I am adding her, and this is the expected output. Yes, and then I click add examples. Great. After that, I added the same system instruction. Yes, here. And this is the new input and the prompt. I will add it here ready to do the input, and here is for the prompt itself. Yes, it would be great. And just the same setting for the model I added, and then I added a prompt. Let me just check which name that I need to rename this chat. Okay. Yes, no need. Maybe I can add here for the few shot prompting. Yes, let me just add here like this, and yes, here. Let me check. Yes, I wanna to yeah 0.1, and here is 1024. Be great. So let me submit and check. Wow, so great. So you can see the extraction from the LLM through the input that I feed the LLM with. Okay, let me check another section now is how we can use uh, if you have a multiple versions for the prompts, how you can compare the output with each other, something like that. You have maybe the same system instruction, but here the conversation is for this prompt is very good, but in this prompt very low quality or something like that. You can do it easily in the Vertex AI Studio, just using something is called a compare. Yes, a compare here. Continue. Yes, yes, continue. Um, you have this. It's called compare. Compare maybe the versions, the first version that you started with, and another version you started with. Maybe I can say, for example, evaluate the last prompt, and you can see easily um, say about the prompt is about blah blah blah, and evaluating your last prompt is the strong point and the weak points. And I can do the same if you have a multiple versions. And here you can actually, uh, yes, can you see it? Yeah, very, very good. You can see the data extraction is all of them can extract it correctly. So is 8 out of 8. So no problem with it. The format requirement is follow the same format requirements. The language response is in English, so it's very good. So let me just change the Gemini, yes, for example, to be Gemini this, and go select and go back, and after that I need to view the comparison, maybe when I selected the different models. So here, yes, view the comparison, yes, run. I wanted to evaluate. Not necessary to change the model only. You can change the system instruction. You can change the prompt itself. Anything you can you just to get. I think this is a very fast way to evaluate your prompt, your versions, types, and so on. Yes, wow. The evaluation field extraction the following data points from the provided claim notification judge is exhausted. Please try again. Okay, let me try again. Okay, it seems that let me change maybe nano banana. Okay, rerun. Mm, yes. Okay. Yes, yes, there is a problem with running this. I think you have some access for the okay run. Mm, okay, it would be great. Yes, yes, yes. I wanted to view the comparison here. Yes, you can see here the actual comparison about the evaluation and the response and so on. You can do the same for this prompt and for the other task like this. Okay. Another thing I wanted to show to you for images, generating images, maybe videos, music, speech, live API, everything. Maybe I want to present maybe Vertex AI to the audience, for example. You can, it can you generate an image for me. Yes, I create here submit. You can see generating images, and you can see here is the lab is guide to you how to use very useful examples to generate the media or images. Yes, like here. Wow, very, very. You can see the quality of the image. It's very, 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 very good. Yeah, great. Okay, let me try with another prompt in the lab. You can choose the aspect ratio. here, like here, you can choose the model versions. Wow, very, very good. Here is for the generating the voice with a chirp. Here, for example, let me check this. Yeah, yes, new. Uh, okay, new video. Yes, okay. I think there's audio icon. Yes, Vertex AI. Okay. Same thing that you can choose the model, the number of the result that you wanna. هنا there is advanced option for the seed. Okay. Okay, I think I see the errors that related to that I'm using it in the lab and it's not allowed. Uh, I think maybe we can use these models. Let me try. Takes sometimes. I think in this lab you are allowed to use VO2 and preview and VO2. Some models new like this you are not allowed to use. It takes sometimes. Yes, and the same thing that the number of the result that you want. Here, for example, let me. Wow, a very high quality video. Yes, you can see her. Yes, the vertex here. And you have the option that you can download it and use it in your presentation, in anything. It will be very useful to use and add. And for sure, here is related to the get the API, but is not allowed here because your labs is for free. But if you're gonna to buy or maybe check the pricing for this, and here is a documentation, a full documentation for everything related to accessing any open models, how to use it, how to generate videos, generate music, generate text and media and so on, like we show here in this lab. um okay, this is all for the session today. uh, thank you all. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, I don't see any question. Thank you very much, Iman.
Most welcome. I hope you enjoyed the session and see you in the another session.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.